I welcome you all to this second or this third class. Sorry, welcome to this third class. This class is it's a very good topic because this is a topic that's understanding of this topic is what will help you scale up in your trading journey. I know most of you think trading is like dragon or maybe python or something scary that I just there to eat you up. The reason why many people fail is because they don't really pay attention to this particular topic. I want you all to mute your mic. So the absence of this topic is like taking the icing away from your cake. Like the cake is sweet, but we need the icing for it to look so good. So not if you're not putting attention in this topic, you're going to miss out in a lot of things. You just see that everything you look as if the whole world is against you or your village people are after your life. So topic is maximize profits with minimal risks. Essential trading skill to protect your capital in the market. A potential guide to building sustainable trading sources. This is like a guide to this is a very rich topic for real because a lot of people neglect this topic. That's why they're not doing so well. But I will tell you that I was trading before, I no longer trading before. It's because they fail to know how to maximize profits with minimal risks. They don't have that essential trading skill to protect their capital in the market. Introduction. Why maximizing risks is key in long-term success. I want to tell you or beg you, or I don't know how it is said, but when you're coming into trading, see it as a long time thing. See it as something that, okay, I'm doing this trading so I can provide for my family in the long run. I'm doing this trading so I can do something nice in my life in the long run. If you can see it like that, you are like, you are more than 50%, like you more than 50% understand this topic. Since like a long time, like don't see that something is pursuing you. Don't see it like, okay, oh, I just want to come and thief money in the market and run away. No. See it as a long-term success. So market volatility is inevitable, but risk management can protect your capital. Like markets will always move. Market will always have big move, small move, any kind of move. You always have move. But when you have risk management, when you when your risk management is well sharpened, when you put attention to risk management, you can protect your capital in the long run. Focus on growth over time, not quick wins. Like see yourself, like I want to grow in this thing. The reason why I used to tell people, I used to put something like, although I studied accounting in school, but I'm not chartered because I did not further in that particular field. But it took me like 3 years in senior secondary school, this particular accounting field. It took me 4 years in the university. And they're telling me that if I want to be chartered, I have to do ICANN, I have to do ACCA, I have to do all these kind of exams. Well, for me to be like a good accountant, right? But in trading, it is so hard for some people to take 6 months to learn. They want to buy Lamborghini. If they start trading today, you want to buy Lamborghini tomorrow. Like, make it make sense. Make it make sense. They're not seeing in this in long time. You're just coming. I always tell them that, okay, maybe when you come, just come with gun. Because like make it make sense. What's time in this thing? Study it. Either you're treating trading as a business or you're treating it as an academic speed. If I'm a business now and I open a small container, I want to sell my stuff, and I'm expected to make 100 million every month with someone that has a shopping mall or with a supermarket like ShopRite or Just Right, all those kind of popular supermarkets. Me, I just have a kiosk. Will I make the same profit with this person? No. And again, there's high chance that these people has been in this business for years. So be realistic. Think in long time. Don't be after quick. It's true, yes, trading can change your life within a year. That one is a fact because it is true. It can happen. But at the same time, don't be thinking like a thief. The person that actually made that overnight success, you don't know what this person has gone through. You don't know the kind of information this person is exposed to. You don't know how hard this person studied. You don't know anything. It's true, if you put in the right effort in trading, it will change your life. No cap, like it will change your life. But the thing is that what effort are you putting in? Are you making good research? What are you learning? What kind of trading style are you trading? You need to understand all these things. And the third point here is the power of compounding profits with minimal risk. So there's something called compounding in trading. You have to know how to compound. Like if I should have, for example, I should have $10 and I want to trade. And I'm thinking of how I'll turn this $10 to $20 in one day. And Mr. Tope, on the other angle, has $10 and is thinking of making $2 every day. In me and Mr. Tope, who is more realistic? The topic now because of you think about the power of compounding. Compounding profit is scaling up small. Me, I want to. What if I enter one trade and I lose those money and I lose the whole of the $10? It has gone. And market does not owe you anything. Market owe you nothing. But that Mr. Tope, even if it's first trade, if it's risking $2 every on every trade, even if his first trade does not go well, the second trade does not go well, his third trade can still go well and it will push up back. But when I have already risked all I had, or all I had at that moment in one setup, how will I have to fight again? So our third slide is the importance of pro the importance of capital preservation. Like, why is it even important? Capital is equal to opportunity in this market. I don't know if you have heard this thing. You need money to make money before. I don't know if you have ever heard this thing for your entire life. Like, you need money to make money in anything you are doing. Even though you're going to school, even if you're going to school, you still need money to go to school. If you don't have money, teacher will send you out of the class. In business, the amount of money you can invest will determine the amount of turnover you will get. So you need money to make money in trading. So capital is equal to opportunity. There's always setup every time in the market, in every different kind of market. Trading is very wide. We have close to 30 things that can be traded in forex. We have a lot of things that can be traded in crypto. We have a lot of things that can be traded in stock. All these big companies, they are trading them. We have a lot of things that can be traded in synthetic indices. There's a lot of opportunity. So if you as long as you have that $10 now, and I saw only one trade or one opportunity, and I risked it all, and I blew the money, how will I have more money to fight the other to trade another setup? So that's how it's being done. You need to be careful. You need to be so wise or be so conscious about protecting your capital, because having your capital is giving you opportunity to fight another day. Losing trade will happen. Yes, losing trade is you can lose trade in the market, fine, because it's not your father that owns the market. The key is how much you lose. Very important. Like, you can lose money. Okay, fine. People lose money. I'm not going to say that, oh no, don't lose money. Yeah, they lose money in markets. But how much you lose? Like, how much? You don't have money to do so much, and you're losing money. Like, you need, maybe you don't have much money and you're starting risking $20 in the market when you can risk $1 in the market. Like, make it make sense. So we also have a well-managed risk approach. Ensure you stay in the game. Yes. The only thing that will actually make you stay in the game long is when you can manage your money. That is just the only thing. Yes, see, in the forex market, I'm not talking about other market, but in the forex market, over $7 trillion is traded every day. Because of this big amount of money is traded every day. That doesn't mean that you should not be looking out to make uh, $1,000 on top your $10 profit to be realistic. Just make little see. Progress is better than moving fast because the market will teach you its own lesson. The market is not harmful if you don't pass your boundary. The market is not harmful if you don't pass your boundary. Let us put an example of someone that not even in real life. If you study well for your exam, I believe most of us here have been to one exam or the other. If you study well for the exam, you will be writing your exam and you'll be smiling. But the person that not study well, looking at the sky and the ceiling, everything is preparation. If you want to come and be a trader, fine, no wahala. This trading is the only thing, you can mark my word, it's the only thing in the whole world that can give you freedom. But if you want this freedom, it's not going to come to your doorstep. Please mute yourself. It will never come to your doorstep and present this freedom to you. It is you that will use your common sense to create this freedom for yourself. Although it's not hard, just listen. Don't be greedy. Just listen. Just protect your capital. Risk wisely. Study it. Spend time to study it. If you can use 4 years in the university to study, how much more for you to study something? Do you understand what it means to be a forex trader? Nobody in this world will come to your house and telling you that, hey, yeah, Mr. Madam Adekini kan, or they'll call you, yeah, report this thing. Come and explain why this one is like this. Nobody tell me that. I wake up anytime I want to wake up. I sleep whenever I want to wake. I want to sleep. The market move every day. Like if you check the chart now, the market is moving. It is moving. What I can trade whatever, like whatever. And I'm making my money. I am not saying yes, man, yes, to anybody. I'm not waiting for a bus, star bus or BLT or public bus. I'm not doing those things. I'm just in my room making money. And somebody that will go and jump or sweat. Okay, when I was working, one of the reasons why I was working was after that work, I'll be coming, and I'll be smelling different kind of body odor. I dislike that part. So like, so the only way this thing is profit, this trading will change your life. But how will it change your life if you are not ready to be accountable for your own capital? Any money you are bringing to the market, risk it wisely. Protect your capital. Don't now dashing your money to the market. Be wise with it. And a well-managed risk opportunity ensure you stay in the game. Okay, I've said that part. So the next slide, risk to reward ratio. Okay. Understanding the risk to reward in trading. If I risk to reward ratio of at least 1:2 or better. I don't know if you understand this, but the idea here is that if you are risking, like I tried to make an example here. This red column is like a risk. This green column is like what is aimed to be targeted. So if I'm making $1 here, the minimum I should be looking for is 1:2. Now I should be expected to make $2 in profits. That is a good deal. Like that's a good investment or a return on investment on your investment. Yeah. So if I'm risking $4 here, I should be expecting to see minimum $8, but I can see more than $8 later, maybe depending on my calculation or my analysis. That is just it. And an example is there, risk $100 to make $200. Ensure that even if you lose half the time, you are still ahead. Okay, fine. So if I like now, if I have 10, let me use $10 minimum, so that some people like, then I have 1 year. You can do a lot with $10 as long as you know, as long as you are ready to be responsible with the money. I'm not going to even hide words. I'll tell you the truth. So if you have $10 and you have planned to be risking $2, that means you can only take five bad opportunity for that $10 to go for vanishing. Like you can only take five bad opportunity. And if all your opportunity you are targeting two times the reward or three times the reward, you can also target four times the reward. It depends on how technical you are in trading. So if you are going for like if you have $10 now and you're going for 1:2, that means I'm making back, if you're risking your $2, you're making back $4 minimum. But you can make $6, you can make $8, but minimum. So in the long run, even if you lose, I don't even know if I can get a chart to write this thing. Okay. Let me come here. Okay. All right. So assuming let me see if I can use this to write. Assuming your risk is you're planning to risk $10 per trade. You have $10 as a capital, and you're planning to risk $2 per trade. And three trade, and out of these $2, you're making, oh my God, and you're making $4 back. Like you're making $4 back. Like if you're risking $10, you're making $4 back. If you're risking $2, you're making $4 back minimum. And you lose, and you have five opportunity. And you lose three times. Five opportunity. And you lost, and you won two times. Two, let me clean this thing and start again. So let's assume okay. Okay, let me do it like this. So let's assume you have $10 and that is what you have. You want to be a trader and you have studied. And you have studied though. I don't say that you have not yet studied. You have studied. And you plan to be risking risk $2. Sorry. I need to clean this zero I put at back of my $2. Okay. I plan to risk $2, right? How many two can we see in 10? Someone should answer me, please. So like I'm sure that you guys
It's
are.
five.
Eh?
Five.
Five.
So we have five opportunity, right? Five
Yeah.
opportunity. Out of these five, you won two trades, two wins, trades, three loss. And now your two trades,
Okay.
you made what? $8. Okay, now
Yeah.
like we are open for 1:2, right? $4. So that $4 now, where's my calculator? Let me share my screen. Calculator. Okay, I don't know. But I think somebody need to calculate. Okay. You're meant to have if you have 3 wins
Okay.
and 2 wins. 2 wins, that means you'll be up by 2 times 4. That is eight
That's
dollars.
it. Yeah.
$8. And you have 3 losses. That means that is $6, right?
Yes.
$6. 6 minus 8,
You mean two.
2. So this
Six
2,
minus 8 minus 2.
yes, like you understand what I'm saying? 8 minus that is 2. So adding these two down back to your $10.
Hmm?
Add these two back to your initial capital. You'll
It's
be
going
up
to be
by
$10. Twelve
$12.
twelve dollars. $12.
Yeah, yeah.
Even if you take 5 position and 3 went against you.
Ma'am,
So this is the power.
what is
You be up, and this was all you did in a week. You'll be up by $2. But you can take more than that too. I'm just saying this is an example. You can take more than this trade. You can risk more than this. You can see how you can even do 1:3. But 1:2 is even the minimum. Let us say we are targeting 1:3. That means we'll be targeting what $6, right? We'll be targeting we're risking $6 and we're targeting 1 ratio. We're still risking $2, sha, and we're targeting 1:3. That means you want to make back 3 times whatever you are risking, which is very, very possible in the market. So, and that's $6. 6 times 2,
So
12.
yes.
So, 12 minus 6, 6,
six?
right?
Six.
So you're up because 1:3 is one of the most standard thing that you should be aiming for. You're up with you're up with $6. Please tell me why, if you are following things like this, tell me why won't you be profitable? Like, I want to know. Like, tell me why you lose all your profits in the market or all your capital in the market.
It's not possible.
It's not
It's not
possible.
possible.
It's not possible. Even if you're just making even out of your first opportunity that you told yourself at first, and you're risking, and you risked the whole 5, and you made back 2, and you lost 3 trades, you're still going to be up. What is it? Please, who is this person now? Who is this person?
I think he's trying to do something. Just leave him.
Okay, so that is that. So the next slide, stop loss and take profits level. This is a very important thing. The market make you feel like a god, like you have authority. You have authority to be like, okay, at this point, if the trade is going against me, take me out in a particular amount of loss. And at this point, if the price go in my favor, when you get to this level, I am okay with my profits. So setting stop loss, your safety net, and take profit level, lock in gain. So just there are orders that you should be using. They are your best friend in the market. So if you start and if you're not trading already and you want to go into trading, these two things, use them as your best friend. Hold them tight, like hold them by their neck, because these are the two things that will really help you in the long run for you to be profitable in trading or for you to stay long in the business. Diversification in trading. Trading risks are across different assets. Like trading, you can always spread your risk across different assets. and you don't need much money to do all this thing. You can deposit $5 in forex, $5 in crypto, and maybe another $5 and now maybe like synthetic indices. You don't need too much actually. Like you don't need too much. So because of our time, we have less than 10 minutes. So let me be fast. The benefits of not putting all your egg not putting all your eggs in one basket, trade across different assets. And that's that. Let's go to the next slide. So, and this is very important, mental discipline and emotional control. Avoiding emotional decision. Stick to your plan. Don't let fear or greed dictate your trades. Don't take any decision based on fear. Don't do anything because of greed. Because of okay, there is trillions of dollars traded in the market every day. They don't mean that you should be greedy. Turn it to best Niger. No. Have a plan. Work with your plan. It is $2 you want to raise. Lose your $2. Make back your $6. And if you go against you, lose your $2, you go another time to fight. Stick to your plan. Be reasonable. So that's that about. And thank you. So I don't know if you have any question you want to ask.
Yes, question.
Oh yeah, ask. Oh yeah.
10 minutes.
If there's any question, this is actually
Question for me.
this is a very simple topic that many people overlook.
Ah,
Because they are just in trading.
Right now. Sha.
So if you have any question, do well to ask. Unmute yourself and ask. And if there's no question, maybe we should call it a day.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good
Please,
evening.
I have
Good
a
evening.
question. Okay. So, when you're talking about risk and ratio, that is 1:2. In forex, does it mean that your capital, the capital you use to enter the trade, is still protected? Like you are not losing that capital. Like you said, okay, using $10 and trading with like $2, taking 5 trades together. Does it mean that $2? Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, does it mean that $2 is still protected? Like you are not losing the whole money in the trade
Yeah,
if you
the thing is
make a
that
loss?
you have $10. And
Okay.
if you want to place a trade, you can risk $2 out of that $10. But some people will say they want to risk $5 out of the $10. It depends on you. There's no particular rules you get. So if that particular trade goes against you, you will lose play that $2. That means you still have your $8 to fight again.
Okay.
That is it. So if it goes in your favor and you make, as long as that first $2 that you took out goes in your favor and you make times 2 of it, which is $4, or you make times 3, which is $6. That means you are up by $16. Immediately you close that trade. So now where your loss and your reward now with your brain, you are losing $2, and if you go in your favor, you're making $6. You are up with $16 in total with your current capital. So that is how it works.
I get that. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. And this is one of the most important topics. Don't joke with them, or don't joke with it. Very important.
All right.
So in the absence of no question, let us call it a day.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay, I want to ask about the stop loss. How to set up the stop loss?
How to set up the stop loss is when you start trading.
Okay,
You will set up on the trading application.
okay,
Depending on the kind of trading application you will use.
okay, okay.
Okay. All right. Let's do well to have a great day. And always drop your thoughts or your opinion under the videos because I actually go through them. Thank you.